Hello, children. Hoping that you all are safe, healthy, and happy. We begin with the second session of computer class. In the last video, we studied about input devices. Now, observe these devices. I'm sure you are very much familiar with them. Yes, these are output devices. Output devices produce processed data and information in human readable form. A computer can have several output devices attached to it, such as monitors, speakers, printers, plotters, projectors, etc. Let us study about each one of them now. Monitor, also known as VDU, that is Visual Display Unit, is an output device that displays information in pictorial form. Output produced on monitors is called soft copy. Monitors are of different types. The first computer monitor used CRT, that is cathode ray tube. CRT monitors are deep in size, look like old fashioned TVs. Then came LCD monitors, liquid crystal display, which are much thinner, use less energy, and provide better graphics quality. TFT LCD, thin film transistor LCD, is a variant of LCD monitors which is now dominant technology used for computer monitors. OLED, organic light emitting diode, is another type of monitor which is an improvement over LCD, providing even better color and viewing angles but requires more power. Plasma monitors. These displays are thinner than CRT displays and brighter than LCDs. Plasma display is a computer video display in which each pixel on the screen is illuminated by a tiny bit of plasma or charged gas, somewhat like a tiny neon light. These are mainly used for large screens. Now, what is a pixel? A pixel, also known as picture element, is the smallest unit of a digital image. Pixels are combined to form a complete image or text on a computer display. Printers. Printers are electromechanical devices used for printing text or images on paper. Output produced on paper is called hard copy. Printers are divided into two broad categories: impact and non impact printers. Impact printers. Here, the text and image impressions are made by tiny pins of print head. Then it strikes at the ink ribbon, making a contact with the paper. In non impact printers, no such striking takes place. They are slow, inexpensive, do not provide high quality print, and create noise during printing. Examples are dot matrix printers and daisy wheel printers. Non impact printers are preferred over impact printers for various reasons such as speed, quality, etc. Examples of non impact printers are inkjet printers and laser printers. Inkjet printers are less noisy and faster than impact printers. They make use of electrically charged or heated ink which is sprayed onto the paper, creating the desired characters. Inkjet printer is the good option for a good quality colored printing. Laser printers are page printers which makes use of a dry powder ink and a laser beam for creating characters on the paper. These printers are expensive. Plotters are known for their efficiency for reproducing line drawings such as graphs, charts, maps, etc. They are mainly used in engineering drawings or architectural blueprints. Speakers. If the computer system has inbuilt speaker, you do not need external speaker unless you need louder sounds, more bass or surround sound. Projector is a device that displays computer output onto a wall, large screen or interactive whiteboard. These are usually used in presentations and multimedia applications. What are these called? Yes, secondary storage devices. They are also called auxiliary storage devices. Why do we need secondary storage device when the computer system has primary memory like RAM? Because main memory, that is RAM, is volatile. This means when the computer is switched off, the contents of RAM will be lost or gets erased. Also, RAM storage capacity is limited, hence we need secondary storage device to store data permanently. Removable storage devices such as CD, DVD, pen drives, external hard disk are usually used to transfer data from one device to another. CDs must be inserted into CD drives to read or write the data. To improve the storage capacity, next came DVD. DVD, Digital Versatile Disks storage capacity is nearly 7 times of CD. That is, it can store up to 4.7 gigabytes. To read a DVD, we need to insert it into a DVD drive or DVD player. Nowadays, computers have DVD CD combo drives which function both as DVD and CD player. Blu-ray disc is the next generation optical disc. It has storage capacity 5 times that of a DVD and can hold up to 25 GB on a single layer disc and 50 GB on a dual layer disc. Pen drive is a portable device also known as USB flash drive, Universal Serial Bus Flash Drive, because it uses a chip called flash drive to store data and has USB connector that can be plugged directly into the USB port of a computer. Storage capacity of modern pen drives can go up to 512 GB to 1 terabyte. The pen drives are an improvement over CDs. They transfer data more quickly than the disks. External hard disks are mostly used for backing up numerous computer files or audio files, and when the internal hard drive is already at its full memory capacity, it can store up to 4 terabytes of data. Internal hardware includes motherboard, CPU, RAM, ROM, hard disk, CD and DVD drives, SMPS. Motherboard. Motherboard is the main printed circuit board found in microcomputers. It is also called backbone of the computer as it holds together many of the crucial parts of the computer such as CPU, hard drives, CD and DVD drives, video card, sound card, USB port, etc. All these are connected directly or through cables to communicate with each other. SMPS, Switched Mode Power Supply, is an electronic circuit that converts the incoming electricity into proper voltage, that is, alternate current, to low voltage direct current, and supplies it to other parts of the motherboard. It has a built-in fan to release the excessive heat and keeps the computer cool. CPU, Central Processing Unit, is considered to be the brain of a computer as it controls all the activities of the computer system. When the CPU is placed on a single chip of silicon, it is called microprocessor. Chips are the size of a postage stamp. All personal computers have microprocessor in them. CPU has three major parts: control unit, arithmetic logic unit, and main memory unit. Control unit directs and controls the activities of internal and external device. It, op- it obtains instructions from the program, stores in main memory, interprets them, and gives signals that causes other units of the system to execute them. ALU, Arithmetic Logic Unit, is the part where actual computations and data processing takes place. It consists of circuits that perform arithmetic operations over inputs received and also compare numbers as per instructions. Main memory unit, also known as primary memory or internal memory. It is generally categorized into two main parts: random access memory and read only memory. RAM is the memory where data and instructions are stored during the execution of a program. RAM, that is RAM, is volatile. That means the data in RAM is lost once the computer is switched off. On the other hand, ROM is non volatile, that is, it stores data permanently and is not erased when the computer is switched off. The initial BIOS, Basic Input Output System program, used to load the operating system of a computer, is stored in ROM. All the contents of ROM are stored by the computer manufacturers and hence it is read only. It cannot be altered or erased by the end user. Modem is the abbreviation for modulator demodulator. Modems are used for data transfer from one computer network to another computer network through telephone lines. The computer network works in digital mode while analog technology is used for carrying messages across phone lines. Modulator converts information from digital mode to analog mode at the transmitting end, and demodulator converts the same from analog to digital at receiving end. Hard disk drive is a circular device that has rotating magnetic pellets protected by a hard cover. Data is stored with the help of magnetic head. It is divided into tracks and sectors. Ports are the slots on the motherboard that lets you plug various devices such as keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer, speakers, etc. to the computer system. With this, your first lesson is completed. Note down the assignment questions for the day. Answer them in your rough notebook. Children, every day, immediately after your video classes, go through the lessons in the textbook. Try to answer the textual exercises. Once you get the notes for the lessons, start learning them also. Have a nice day.